Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best tools to help you elevate your music practice and performance. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we believe is the best metronome digital quartz tempo adjustable on the market right now, the SDREAM digital metronome. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician, stick around because this compact, rechargeable, and feature-packed device is something you'll want to consider adding to your practice routine. Let's begin with the design. The SDREAM digital metronome combines a classic pyramid-style structure with a modern digital upgrade. It's got a clean LCD display, and although it's small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, it doesn't skimp on usability. The layout is intuitive, with tactile buttons that allow you to quickly set tempo, beat, and rhythm, no complicated menus or guesswork. This balance of tradition and technology makes it a stylish yet practical tool. Now let's talk features, because this is where the SDREAM really shines. One of its standout abilities is the dual audio option. You can choose between a human English voice count or classic digital beeps. This is incredibly helpful for those just starting out or anyone who wants clearer beat identification during practice. It supports 10 different beat patterns from 0 to 9, so whether you're working in simple 4/4 time or experimenting with more complex signatures, this metronome has you covered. Tempo-wise, the range is excellent, from 40 to 208 beats per minute. That gives you full control, whether you're warming up with slow scales or shredding through rapid arpeggios. And the beat speed adjustment is smooth and precise, allowing you to dial in exactly the tempo you need. Powering the SDREAM is easy, thanks to its built-in rechargeable battery. It charges via USB-C and can last for more than 8 hours on a single charge. So whether you're heading to rehearsal, teaching lessons, or just practicing for long sessions at home, this metronome is up for the task. And if you want to practice silently, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack so you can train without disturbing anyone around you. Compatibility is another major plus. The SDREAM works seamlessly with practically every instrument. Piano, guitar, violin, bass, ukulele, trumpet, harmonica, saxophone, drums, you name it. This is a truly universal metronome. It even makes a great gift for a musician friend or a family member who's learning something new. And despite all these features, this unit only weighs about 0.29 pounds. That's insanely portable. It slips into your pocket or gig bag without adding bulk, making it ideal for travel, street performances, or practice on the go. If you're looking for a professional-grade digital metronome that offers clarity, customization, durability, and modern conveniences in a classic design, the SDREAM digital metronome is absolutely worth it. It's designed with both beginners and pros in mind and stands out in a sea of generic alternatives. That wraps up our deep dive into the SDREAM digital metronome. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our next product critique. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.